All right, we changed the cart to a rolling pack-out cart. We're still going to keep the cart, but you can see here we now have the crate on top. We got G-tape, zip tape, camo levers. Down in there you can see we got the camo tool. We got this joist jaw thing someone gave me for free. It's pretty nice. You go down in here, we got a couple of 2 drawers. We got these Ipe deck spacers in all different sizes, GRK screws, Ipe plugs. We got stainless screws. We got these 1/2-inch deck spacers for ledgers. We use them for feet. We got some Titan bolts. We got plug-it bits. We got mushroom anchors. How's that? And then you come down even further. 8-inch Titan bolts, camo clips, bits for the camo clips, plastic shims. We got some of this deck end cut stuff. What am I hitting? Hitting something. Doesn't force down. All right, Domino XL, more camo screws. We got some GRK structural screws, 2.5, 4-inch naps that we use when we black out frames. So basically, everything we would use for decking, or not everything, but a lot of things. We're gonna get some of those aftermarket straps. We can hang some guns and crap off of here, but it's on the wheels, so it moves around pretty good. Here, we can undo these. There you go, wheel it around. Nice and easy. Perfect.